Hello, technology fans and friends who are visiting a web summit in Lisbon last year, October. I know you probably November. I'm sure you missed that, and it was great. And probably after the Lisbon conference, you didn't have time to catch up on life and work and all. So we wanted to wait for the holidays to go by and schedule a meeting with you now that you actually celebrated New Year's and had a good holiday. I wanted
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, exactly. So please click the link below and schedule a meeting with us, a follow-up meeting, so that Rajiv, who is an expert in marketing, my friend, and I could have a valuable conversation and figuring out how to help each other and take our conversation to the next level. Thank you very much. Look forward to talk to you.
Yes, and this way we'll give 2022 the right start and make you smile. I promise, and I'm making Tamas promise as well. So thanks. Talk to you soon.
Bye.